To troubleshoot the SEMrush dashboard, start by understanding the layout and various components of the dashboard. The SEMrush dashboard provides an overview of your website's online visibility, including metrics such as organic search traffic, paid traffic, and backlinks. Begin by checking your account settings to ensure that your website is properly set up and tracked. Verify that your website's domain is correctly entered and that the tracking code is installed. If you are using a subdomain, ensure that it is also set up correctly in your SEMrush account. Next, navigate to the Issues section of the dashboard, which highlights any technical or SEO issues detected on your website. Common issues include broken links, duplicate content, and missing meta tags. Click on each issue to view more details and recommendations for fixing them. If you notice discrepancies in your traffic data, check the analytics settings to ensure that your Google Analytics account is connected to SEMrush. Also, verify that your SEMrush bot has access to your website's robots.txt file. Another key area to check is the backlinks section, which displays the number of referring domains and backlinks to your website. If you notice a sudden drop in backlinks, it may indicate a technical issue or a penalty from search engines. To troubleshoot specific metrics, use the filters and sorting options to narrow down the data. For example, you can filter by country, device, or browser to identify trends and patterns in your website's traffic. In addition to the dashboard, SEMrush provides a range of tools and reports to help you audit and optimize your website. Use the Site Audit tool to identify technical SEO issues, and the Position Tracking tool to monitor your website's rankings for target keywords. By following these steps and regularly monitoring your SEMrush dashboard, you can quickly identify and troubleshoot issues affecting your website's online visibility and performance. This enables you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your SEO strategy for better results.